not every bus trip is a big adventure. This time, we didn't go far, just around Mallorca. But after almost 6 months tied to the dock, even a short move felt like the start of something new. And for us crew, this is where the season really begins. For the last few months, we have been in maintenance mode. Sanding, painting, repairing, cleaning, preparing. All those jobs that happen before the season starts. And after being tied to the dock for almost 6 months, this was our first proper bus trip of the season. Before the boat leaves the dock, everything has to be ready. The guests usually see the boat when it is already clean and prepared. But for the crew, the trip starts so much earlier. For this trip, we also had to do some provisioning, loading foods, drinks, and all the supplies needed for the days ahead. It may not look exciting, but this is a big part of getting the boat ready. Everything has to come on board, be checked, organized, and put away properly before the trip begins. At the same time, the deck still has to be prepared. Every line, every fender, every cushion, and every small detail has to be checked. It might look simple from the outside, but this is the part that sets the tone for the whole trip.
Good morning, we've got a fine day. We can start preparing the boat for departure. Sure, and then we'll get the jetties off. And normal procedure, looking at departure in around about 25-30 minutes, something like that. We're going to head directly to Andrat and take our berth there. No entering today, and then we'll see if we can go out a bit later on with the girls if they want to have a pull. That way we keep our options open. Thanks very much. Let me know as we head along. Thank you.
After being tied to the dock for so long, this moment feels different. The lines are coming off, the crew are in position, and slowly the boat starts moving again. We're not going far this time, just around Mallorca. But after almost 6 months alongside, even a short move feels special. This is the moment where the boat stops feeling like a project and starts feeling like a yacht again. We are off the dock. It's so nice to be out here. Perfect weather as well. Nice, very warm day today. But the weather is gonna turn to shit again in the next few days. So yeah. You guys ready? Arriving in Andrat, everyone starts to switch back into docking mode. Fenders are ready, lines are prepared, and its crew member knows where they need to be. Even on a quiet trip, docking is always a moment that needs focus. The boat moves slowly, the dock gets closer, and everyone watches their timing. Once the lines are ashore, boat is secure. That is when everyone can finally relax a little bit. After arriving in Andrat, we ended up staying on the dock for a few days. The original feeling was that summer was starting, but during this part of the trip, the weather changed again. The wind picked up, there was rain in the forecast, and the temperature dropped. So instead of moving around and anchoring out, the trip became much quieter. But that is also part of yachting. You can plan the trip, prepare the boat, and be ready to go, but in the end, the weather always has the final say. For the crew, being on the dock doesn't mean there is nothing to do, but the boat still has to be kept ready. Lines and fenders be checked, covers sorted, decks clean when the rain stops, and everyone stays on standby in case the plan changes. Andrat is one of those quiet, sheltered places in Mallorca that always feels peaceful. We stayed here for a few days while the wind and rain passed through, and even though the trip slowed down, it was not a bad place to be. Alright, breakfast for a rainy day. Look at that. Hotel Lady Rose. Check it out. I think this is very fancy. What do you think?
The omelette station's upstairs if you want one. Yes. There's some cereals too.
Alright, let's have a look at the omelette station. Mario! Your breakfast is served! Your breakfast is served! Your breakfast is served!
Oh, good morning, mate.
Hey! Are you still...
After a few days of wind and rain in Andrat, the weather had finally cleared. The sea outside was calmer, and it was time to move on. The gangway came off, the boat was ready to leave, and a few moments later, we were getting off the dock again. It was only a short move to the next place, but after a few quiet days alongside, it felt good to be moving again. Alright, we're off. Finally the sun come out. It's been cold and raining for the last couple of days. Actually almost 3 days. It's a beautiful day today. It's still a little bit chilly, but a beautiful day nonetheless. We are on our way to Puerto Portals. Well, arriving in Puerto Portals, the pace slows down again. Even on a quiet trip, this is always the moment where everyone's focus comes back. The boat is big, the space can be tight sometimes, and every small movement matters. You watch the distance, the angle, the wind, and how the boat is reacting as it comes closer to the dock. From the outside, it might look calm and simple, but on deck, it is all about timing, communication, and keeping everything controlled until the boat is safely alongside. Morning guys, this is it. 2 more days and then this trip will officially end here, and we are on this port, Puerto Portals. We came in here yesterday, so today it's another beautiful day. Still a bit chilly, but no complaints. So this is Puerto Portals, beautiful little port, and this is where we were the last time. The last time we were here was the end of the summer last year. This is where we got smashed by that nasty squall. So yeah, so that was a bad experience the last time we were here. So we got hit with that, and then we actually had damage on our paint job on our starboard side. But we fixed it straight away. You know, that's the advantage if you have someone like me that can do all the repairs in-house, you know. So and just like that, our first boat trip of the season was done. We didn't go far this time, but after months of maintenance and preparation, it still felt like an important trip. The boat was moving again, the crew was back into the rhythm, and the season had officially started for us. Sometimes, yacht life is not about the distance you travel, but the work behind the scenes that keeps everything ready. And for us, this was quite start of the season, but a good one.